This is a different pump truck. Its top comes from JIUHE-China, and its chassis comes from the United States. This is a 38 meters pump truck customized by JIUHE for American customers. Expand into the US market. JIUHE Heavy Industry has taken a solid step towards internationalization. In the delivery process, the chairperson leads the team in person. JIUHE after-sales service personnel shall conduct on-site training on the operation of the customer's pump truck. As a national specialized new small giant, JIUHE Heavy Industry relies on advanced pump truck technology, successful U.S. stringent industry certifications, with the hard nuclear power of China's smart manufacturing, becoming a shining business card for China's construction machinery to go global.